Recording in progress.
Suraj, you there?
Sarah, I'm here.
Can you make me the co-host? Thank you.
Shri Ganesha Gananatha Shri Ganesha Gananatha Shri Ganesha Gananatha Pati Purishwara Gananatha Pati Purishwara Gananatha Utapati Purishwara Gananatha Utapati Purishwara Gananatha Shri Ganesha Gananatha Shri Ganesha Gananatha विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक गणनाथं सिद्धिविनायक गणनाथं श्री गणेशं गणनाथं जय हो गणनाथ जय हो जय हो गणनाथ जय हो गणनाथ जय हो गणनाथ जय हो गणनाथ श्री गणेशं गणनाथं पतिपुरीश्वर गणनाथं श्री गणेशं गणनाथं विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक सिद्धिविनायक गणनाथं श्री गणेशं गणनाथं जय हो गणनाथ 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 जय हो गणनाथं
शिरडी साई शंकरा पतिविहारी शंकरा शिरडी साई शंकरा पतिविहारी शंकरा शंकरा भयंकरा भवभयहारी शंकरा शंकरा भयंकरा भवभयहारी शंकरा शिरडी साई शंकरा पतिविहारी शंकरा परमात्मा शिव शंकरा पावन पुरुषा शंकरा परमात्मा शिव शंकरा पावन पुरुषा शंकरा सत्य स्वरूपा शंकरा सत्य साई शंकरा सत्य स्वरूपा शंकरा सत्य साई शंकरा शिरडी साई शंकरा पतिविहारी शंकरा शंकरा भयंकरा भवभयहारी शंकरा परमात्मा शिव शंकरा पवन पुरुषा शंकरा परमात्मा शिव शंकरा पवन पुरुषा शंकरा सत्य स्वरूप शंकरा सत्य साई शंकरा सत्य स्वरूप शंकरा सत्य साई शंकरा शिरडी साई शंकरा पति विहारी शंकरा।
बुद्ध महावीर यीशु साई, बुद्ध महावीर यीशु साई, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। अल्लाह यीशु सतगुरु साई, अल्लाह यीशु सतगुरु साई, गीता वेद कुरान हो साई, गीता वेद कुरान हो साई, मन में साई तन में साई, मन में साई तन में साई, रोम रोम में साई साई, रोम रोम में साई साई, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। बुद्ध महावीर यीशु साई, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा, अल्लाह यीशु सतगुरु साई, गीता वेद कुरान हो साई, तन में साई मन में साई, रोम रोम में साई साई, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। बुद्ध महावीर यीशु साई, वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा।
गुरु हमारा मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारा प्राण, गुरु हमारा मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारा प्राण, सारे विश्व का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान, सारे विश्व का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारा तन मन सबके, गुरु हमारा प्राण, गुरु हमारा तन मन सबके, गुरु हमारा प्राण, ज्ञान भक्ति का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान, ज्ञान भक्ति का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारा मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारा प्राण, सारे विश्व का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारा तन मन सबके, गुरु हमारा प्राण, ज्ञान भक्ति का वो है दाता नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव साईं गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारा मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारा प्राण।
सत्य स्वरूपिणी माँ, साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ, सत्य स्वरूपिणी माँ, साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी पतिनिवासिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी पतिनिवासिनी माँ, विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कलिकपालिनी माँ, विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कलिकपालिनी माँ, हे त्रिभुवनधारिणी मंगलकारिणी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माँ, हे त्रिभुवनधारिणी मंगलकारिणी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी पतिनिवासिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी पतिनिवासिनी माँ, सत्य स्वरूपिणी माँ, साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी पतिनिवासिनी माँ, विघ्न विनाशिनी भवभयहारिणी कलिकपालिनी माँ, हे त्रिभुवनधारिणी मंगलकारिणी मोक्षप्रदायिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी पतिनिवासिनी माँ, परमानंददायिनी हृदय विहारिणी पतिनिवासिनी माँ, सत्य स्वरूपिणी माँ, साई प्रेम स्वरूपिणी माँ।
अरुणाचल शिवा त्रिशूलधारी शिवो, हरिनारायण साई नारायण जय देवी भारती, विद्यदायिनी अन्नपूर्णा माता ओ जय जगदीश हरे जय गोविंद हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय गोविंद हरे नित्यानंद ब्रह्मानंद जय गोपाल हरे नित्यानंद ब्रह्मानंद जय गोपाल हरे अरुणाचल शिव ओम त्रिशूलधारी शिव ओम अरुणाचल शिव ओम त्रिशूलधारी शिव ओम हरिनारायण ओम साई नारायण ओम हरिनारायण ओम साई नारायण ओम जय देवी भारती विद्यादायिनी अन्नपूर्णा माता ओम जय देवी भारती विद्यादायिनी अन्नपूर्णा माता ओम जय जगदीश हरे जय गोविंद हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय गोविंद हरे नित्यानंद ब्रह्मानंद जय गोपाल हरे अरुणाचल शिव ओम त्रिशूलधारी शिव ओम हरिनारायण ओम साई नारायण ओम जय देवी भारती विद्यादायिनी अन्नपूर्णा माता ओम जय देवी भारती विद्यादायिनी अन्नपूर्णा माता ओम जय जगदीश हरे जय गोविंद हरे
Mother Saima, you mean the whole world to me, Saima. Mother Saima, you mean the whole world to me, Saima. Mother Saima. You are the light of my life, Saima. Mother Saima. You are the light of my life, Saima. Ma Saima, Ma Saima, Ma Saima. In times of trouble and despair, I call your name, you're always there. You guide me forever each day. With all your love, you show thank you, my dear Sai Ma, for all your patience and love, Sai Ma. How can I thank you, my dear Sai Ma, for all your patience and love, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Mother, Mother, Sai Ma. Sai Ma. Mother, Mother, Sai Ma. You are the light of my life, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. In times of trouble and despair, I call your name, you're always there. You guide me forever each day. With all your love, you show me the way. How can I thank you, my dear Sai Ma, for all your patience and love, Sai Ma. How can I thank you, my dear Sai Ma, for all your patience and love, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Ma, Sai Ma. Mother, Mother, Sai Ma. In the house of Sai Ma. मन एक बार हरि बोल, मन एक बार हरि बोल, हरि हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि हरि बोलो, हरि बोल, मन एक बार हरि बोल। हरि पिता हरि माता, हरि गुरु ज्ञानदाता, हरि पिता हरि माता, हरि गुरु ज्ञानदाता, चिदानंद रूप हरि पतित पावन हरि एक बार हरि बोल। चिदानंद रूप हरि पतित पावन हरि एक बार हरि बोल। मन एक बार हरि बोल, हरि हरि बोल, हरि बोल, मन एक बार हरि बोल। हरि पिता हरि माता, हरि गुरु ज्ञानदाता, चिदानंद रूप हरि पतित पावन हरि एक बार हरि बोल। चिदानंद रूप हरि पतित पावन हरि एक बार हरि बोल। मन एक बार हरि बोल, मन एक बार हरि बोल।
नर्तन सुंदर नटराजा, नर्तन सुंदर नटराजा, नटन मनोहर शिवराजा, नटन मनोहर शिवराजा। तुम्बुरु नारद कीर्तन गाइए, तुम्बुरु नारद कीर्तन गाइए, नंदिकेश्वर मृदंग बजाइए, नंदिकेश्वर मृदंग बजाइए, नाचे शंकर नटराजा, नाचे शंकर नटराजा। ऋषिगण बोले हर हर महादेव, सुर नर बोले हर हर महादेव, ऋषिगण बोले हर हर महादेव, सुर नर बोले हर हर महादेव। पर्तिपुरी के साईनाथ, पर्तिपुरी के साईनाथ, साईनाथ सत्य साईनाथ, साईनाथ सत्य साईनाथ। नर्तन सुंदर नटराजा, नटन मनोहर शिवराजा, तुम्बुरु नारद कीर्तन गाये, नंदिकेश्वर मृदंग बजाये, नाचे शंकर नटराजा। ऋषिगण बोले हर हर महादेव, सुर नर बोले हर हर महादेव। पर्तिपुरी के साईनाथ, साईनाथ सत्य साईनाथ, साईनाथ सत्य साईनाथ। नर्तन सुंदर नटराजा, नटन मनोहर शिवराजा। भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे, भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे। गोविंद मुरारी गोपाल मुरारी, गोविंद मुरारी गोपाल मुरारी। भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे, भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे। मथुरा नाथा हे गिरिधारी, मथुरा नाथा हे गिरिधारी। राधा माधव हे गिरधारी, राधा माधव हे गिरधारी। राधा माधव हे गिरधारी, राधा माधव हे गिरधारी। भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे, भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे। गोविंद मुरारी गोपाल मुरारी, गोविंद मुरारी गोपाल मुरारी। भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे। मथुरा नाथा हे गिरिधारी, मथुरा नाथा हे गिरिधारी। राधा माधव हे गिरधारी, राधा माधव हे गिरधारी। राधा माधव हे गिरधारी, राधा माधव हे गिरधारी। भजन करो मनवा गोविंद हरे।
श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश, श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश,
श्रितजन परिपाला साईशा श्रितजन परिपाला साईशा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा तिरुपति गिरिवासा गोविंदा गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंदा 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंदा 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 प्रतिवासा गोविंदा 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 प्रतिवासा गोविंदा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा श्रितजन परिपाला साईशा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा तिरुपति गिरिवासा गोविंदा गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंदा 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 श्रीनिवास गोविंदा 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 प्रतिवासा गोविंदा 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 प्रतिवासा गोविंदा श्रीनिवासा वेंकटेशा।
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतो सिद्धबुद्धो स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावकतो ॐ सविता पावकतो ब्रह्ममस्ततो यावशक्तितो येषु पिता प्रभुतो रुद्रविष्णुतो रामकृष्णतो रहीमनादो ओ रहीमनादो वासुदेव गोविश्वरूपतो चिदानन्द हरितो आदिवेदतो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतो आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतो आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतो शांति 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 साई गायत्री ओम साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ओम साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ओम साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ओम शांति शांति शांति। Saram, dear uncles and aunties, brothers and sisters, the next three Gayatri chanting, we would like to dedicate it to Sister Parveen's husband, Brother Sombun, who is currently fighting for his life, and we would like to spread Ashma's love and positivity not only to him, but to everybody who is currently being affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, the next three Gayatri chanting will be dedicated to everyone who is really in need of our prayers. Bhurvuvasvah tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo devasya धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। May all the beings in all the worlds be happy. Om peace, peace, peace.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्व प्राणपते स्वामी सर्व प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्रशयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगलहारति अंदुको मंगलहारति अंदुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा ओम शांति 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 समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
Salam everyone. Swami's message today will be given by Brother Raja.
Salam everyone, good evening. My humble pranams to the lotus feet of our Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Glad to see hear all of you all again. Very nice. Thank you for Prashantini and the team for a wonderful piece of work done. Today's message will come in a form of a story. I know that sometimes stories is where the messages gets entrenched in all of us. So the story goes with a preamble. I'll give you a preamble first in the sense that to know who are the main characters of the story. The first character would be Lord Yama. That will be the Lord of death, at the same time the Lord of righteousness. The next main character would be Chitragupta. Chitragupta is the person who writes all our goods and bads, sins and karma under the instruction of Lord Yama. So the story goes with the backdrop of a king who is righteous to all his people and he serves them all well. He looks after the well-being of each and every of his subjects and treats them fairly in the kingdom. One day, there were 3 priests, monks, or spiritual men who came by the kingdom. And as usual, the king will always send out word to these respected souls to drop in at the palace for an audience with the king. Just like always, the 3 of them were invited to the palace to have an audience. And after a brief audience with the king told all of them to stay and have a meal. So while the meal was prepared, the king said that he would be serving the meal for all of the 3 spiritual people. And all the monks said, "Thank you very much," and they all sat to be fed. At that same very moment, there was a backdrop story. It went along as there was a fight going on between an eagle and a snake. The dharma of the eagle is to find his own prey, and the snake at that time happened to be there. So the fight continued, and eventually the eagle won. And while the eagle was picking up the snake and flying away, at that very moment, the king was about to feed all of the spiritual people that was assembled in his palace. And while the snake was breathing his last, its poison from his mouth fell into the food. And without realizing what happened to the poison and the food, the king dutifully served the 3 monks with his own hands. And to his astonishment, all the 3 of them died. The king could not be peaceful. The king was in tears and the king was running around for answers. How can this happen? How can them eat food in my palace and die? And he was, of course, distorted and he was trying to find an answer for himself. So at this very moment, Chitragupta went to Lord Yama. In their brief discussion, he was asking Lord Yama, where shall I write this karma to? To whom shall I assign this karmic sin to? So the 3 main characters in which he was describing to Lord Yama. And he was telling Lord Yama, the eagle was doing his dharmic duty of killing the snake. The snake at the time of dying had his last breath, let the poison out of his mouth that entered into the food. And the king, without realizing this, served the food to all of the 3 monks. Now, to whom shall this sin go to? Lord Yama thought for a while and then told Chitragupta, let's leave the sin part of it for a while and come back to it a little later, because every one of them were doing their own dharmic duty to their best of their ability. There'll come a time where I'll tell you to whose name or to whose head shall I write the karma to. So days passed and months passed that the king was unable to be consoled over the 3 deaths. Subsequently, after a couple of months, another 3 other saints again walked through the kingdom. And the king was apprehensive of calling them to the palace. But dutifully, as his dharmic duty has always been such, he sent out word to all the 3 of them to come to the palace for an audience. And those monks, as usual, knowing the king's reputation as being a dharmic man, accepted the invitation and they all came to the palace. While they were coming to the palace, they passed by the marketplace. And at the marketplace, they met a lady. And the lady said, "Where are you all going?" And all 3 of them said they're going to the palace for an audience with the king. And this lady warned the 3 of them by saying, "Be very careful, do not eat whatever the king serves you." And all 3 of them was astonished and asked them why. The last time 3 of your people came to seek him, and they all died at his hands after being fed. So they all were surprised to hear such a story from one of the subjects of the kingdom. But yet the 3 spiritual people continued their journey and went to the palace. And once they went to the palace, the king had an audience with them and served them food. At this very moment, Lord Yama immediately called up Chitragupta and said, "I think it's about time we have one karma outstanding, to whose name shall we write it in?" So Chitragupta was shocked and said, "Who shall we write it to?" Lord Yama said, "Write it on the lady who said to all the 3 monks that the king killed the 3 spiritual men." Chitragupta asked, "Why?" He said, "She doesn't know the truth. She assumed the truth, and she was spreading negativity around the whole kingdom, saying that the king was responsible when the king had nothing to do with this." That ends the story. The moral of the story that all of us always look up to would be, at a times of whenever we speak, Swami has been very particular about this when Swami said, where he always has this 5 words where he says, all of you all have to be careful and see what you all do in terms of the watch. He had this famous saying that he keeps himself and tells all of us, watch your words, watch your actions, watch your thoughts, watch your character, and watch your heart. Indirectly telling all of us, whatever we speak, whatever we tell people, either you verify it's the truth, or we do not say anything that we are unable to verify. Thank you, Sai Ram, and good night.
Sairam, is it us only?
Hi, Rom. Yes, it's us, Suni.
Okay,
Okay,
thank God. Okay,
good. People do not believe.
the music is good, huh?
Yeah, okay, babe. So what I want to do is,
Hmm.
I want to check out something because just now that slide, right? I shared it using Keynote, which means the
Okay.
MacBook, the inbuilt MacBook one lah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try out sharing it using PowerPoint. Can you let's just check the sound quality of it. How is it?
Can, no problem. Please go ahead.
Uh,
Quality is a bit, the quality is not too good, but just now when you played it was excellent.
wait, let me just listen.
Bit faded though.
Wait. I'm waiting for it to go to the tabla part.
What is that?
I said I'm waiting for it to go into the tabla part.
Yes, okay. I'm so glad you like this.
I love this. Hamsa Dhwani is my favorite.
Oh, I didn't know. But it's because it's last time, the time. That's it.
Yeah.
Rag is the best. Nobody complained.
Yeah.
Nobody complained. That's the best. The rag suits the mood.
Because I'm actually listening on my phone and it actually sounds not bad.
Not bad, ah?
Yeah.
I think should be okay, lah. But just
Yeah.
now yours was excellent quality.
I think that's the thing lah. It could be a MacBook thing also lah. But that's why I think we have to let Avinash
You
and
see,
try it.
I also personally feel it's the touch of the person. You are the technical person, you know.
Mana
that,
ada where got such thing.
betul lah aku cakap.
Let's listen to this one now. This one also okay.
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनापतो मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ देवा नारायण नारायण
Very good
सत्य
quality, very
नारायण नारायण
Hello, babe. Can you hear me now?
Can.
Okay, I think right. Let's try it with Avinash and one of these days, maybe on that Friday night or what. Because I've already emailed the file to him. Let's try it and see. Because maybe I have a feeling maybe he salah embed or what.
You want to what?
No, I have a feeling maybe potentially I think maybe Anne wrongly embedded the wait Hey, Suraj needs to stop the recording and
Okay, no problem. No
We'll
problem.
stop